Hello, hi friends. Welcome to cherryscraft. This is Ram. I am interested in craft making. I want you to also make those crafts along with me. If you are watching my channel first, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and click bell icon. Our next videos will notify you. Friends, today we're gonna make origami hummingbird. Let's start, friends.
Friends, for making a origami hummingbird, we need to take one square and fold both diagonals. After, we need to fold to the center point 3 sides and leave one side. After, we need to fold another side to the center line like this, and now we need to fold the opposite side like this. Now we need to fold the third side to the center line like this, and now we need to fold like this and fold outwards and fold back. Now we need to fold the remaining backwards like this, and now we need to fold half and fold front side. After, we need to fold properly and turn aside and fold half. After, we need to fold downwards like this, and now we need to fold another side along the line like this, and now we need to fold the tail part downside. Now we need to fold towards inside like this. We need to repeat on the other side too. After, again we need to fold towards inside. Now we need to fold downwards like this and again up. To lock the link, we need to open and fold as same, and now again we need to fold. Now we need to repeat on the other side too. Now we need to do as same. Open and again lock. After, we need to fold to the point like this, and now we need to fold to the line like this, and we need to fold remaining part to the point and press properly. Now we need to fold starting point downside and fold downward, and now we need to hold crossly like this to make the tail part. After, we need to fold along the line like this, and now we need to fold like this. To make the head of the hummingbird. After, we need to fold backwards like this and again back along the line, and now fold like this. Now we need to fold back and again front. After, we need to fold downwards to make the head like this and fold towards inside. After, we need to fold this one inside like this, and now we need to fold small beak like this half and link up. We need to link up properly like this. As before as. Now we need to fold properly like this, and now we need to fold wings, making curve like this. Now we need to repeat on the other side too. See friends, our origami hummingbird is completed. See how it looks. Thanks for watching.